It's the only theater on the island, and it's beautiful on the inside, and you can visit. It's free. And also, this place was closed almost 5 years because we have here on the island a very big problem on our house. Not on, I said on the island, not in the island, in the city. We have a big problem with one really tiny thing called termites. It's probably the biggest problem to have in our city because the most part of the inside of the house is all with wood, very old wood. And we even have support of the government for the families who live on the historical center to help, because it's very expensive to rebuild and to have that treatment. The government tried to help that families because it's really a big problem. And the theater was the same thing, was closed almost 5 years. They were trying to fix. Of course, it's not completely safe of that because it never is. This is why also we don't have a lot of events happening here to try to control that.
This is a
this building right here. And we are going now to, I don't know if you can smell this, it's the best cookies ever. We are going to the markets for coffee, and then we are almost done, okay? The best butcher on the island is right here because it's my uncle butcher. We have a really, for the ladies mostly, we have a really nice shop, a lot of beautiful bags and jackets right behind me, and the best cookies on the island. They are still warm and they smell awesome. And if you want to stop for a coffee, it's what we have on the market, it's here. We'll try to do it 15-20 minutes, okay? You will see that you spend 2 minutes looking to the markets because it's not big. We have the fish on one corner, vegetable, fruits, our bananas from the island, pineapple from San Miguel. So just explore a little bit and we'll meet you here if you want to have a coffee, and then we'll keep going, okay?